Section 1. The right product, your channel's foundation. Want to crush it as a reviewer? You need to choose the right products. It's that simple. The products you review are the building blocks of your channel. They shape your audience, your niche, and your credibility. Picking the wrong products can send you down a rabbit hole. Choose wisely, and you're on your way to building a loyal following. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start with a flimsy foundation. Your product choices are your foundation. You need strong, relevant products to support your growth. Don't just chase trends. Look for products that resonate with your audience and fit your brand. Remember, you're building a relationship with your audience. They trust you to guide them. Choosing products that genuinely interest you helps you deliver authentic and valuable reviews. Pick products you're passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your reviews. That passion is contagious. It's what will keep viewers coming back for more. It's all about providing value and building trust. And it all starts with the right product. Section 2. Riding the waves. Understanding market trends. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial in the fast-paced world of online reviews. You need to understand market trends. What are people looking for? What problems need solving? Knowing the answers gives you a huge advantage. Pay attention to what's buzzing online. Social media is your friend here. What are people talking about? What's trending on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram? What are the hot topics in your niche? Use these platforms to your advantage. Don't be afraid to explore new platforms and communities. Reddit, for example, is a goldmine for uncovering niche trends and interests. Dive into relevant subreddits and listen to what people are saying. You'll be surprised at what you discover. Remember, trends are like waves. You need to catch them while they're rising. Being early to a trend can give you a significant edge. It allows you to establish yourself as a go-to source for information. So stay curious, stay informed, and ride those waves to success. Section 3. Popularity versus demand. What to choose. When choosing products to review, you'll encounter two key factors: popularity and demand. It's easy to assume they're the same, but they're not. Understanding the difference is crucial for your success. Popularity is about what's hot right now. It's the latest gadget everyone is talking about. Demand, on the other hand, is about what people consistently need and search for. It's about solving problems and fulfilling needs. While it's tempting to chase popularity, focusing on demand is often the smarter strategy. Products with high demand provide more long-term potential for your channel. They attract a consistent audience looking for valuable information. Think about it. A trendy fidget toy might be popular for a few weeks, but a high-quality chef's knife? That's a product with lasting demand. Choose products that solve problems, fulfill needs, and stand the test of time. Section 4. Niche down your path to authority. Trying to appeal to everyone is a recipe for mediocrity. To truly stand out, you need to niche down. Find your passion within a specific category and become an expert in that area. Think about your interests and expertise. What are you genuinely passionate about? What do you know more about than the average person? Your niche could be anything from tech gadgets to sustainable living products. By focusing on a niche, you attract a highly targeted audience. These are people who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. They trust your opinion because you're speaking directly to their interests. Niching down allows you to provide more value. You become a trusted source of information within your specific area. This targeted approach leads to higher engagement, stronger community building, and ultimately, a more successful channel. Section 5. Unboxing potential. Finding products ripe for review. Not all products are created equal when it comes to review potential. Some practically scream, "Review me." Learning to spot these gems is key to maximizing your impact. Look for products with a story to tell. This could be anything from innovative features to a unique brand message. The best products evoke curiosity and offer more than just functionality. Consider the unboxing experience. Is the packaging interesting? Are there any surprises or delightful details? A great unboxing experience adds another layer of engagement to your review. Think about the product's potential for demonstration. Can you showcase its features in an engaging way? Can you provide helpful tips and tricks? Products that lend themselves to visual storytelling tend to perform exceptionally well. Section 6. My first review, a disaster and a lesson. We all start somewhere, and trust me, my journey as a reviewer was no different. My first attempt at a product review was a complete disaster. I was clunky, unprepared, and my lighting was terrible. The video was met with crickets. I was crushed. But I learned a valuable lesson that day. Preparation is key. I realized I needed to up my game if I wanted to be taken seriously. I invested in better equipment, researched my product thoroughly, and practiced my delivery. The response to my next review was night and day. The video was more engaging, informative, and authentic. People responded to my passion and the value I provided. It was a turning point in my journey. That experience taught me the importance of continuous improvement. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, learn from them, adapt, and keep pushing forward. Section 7. Honesty, the only policy for reviewers. Honesty is non-negotiable in the world of reviews. Your audience trusts you to provide unbiased and authentic opinions. Never compromise your integrity for a sponsorship or a free product. Remember, your reputation is everything. Once you lose your audience's trust, it's incredibly difficult to earn it back. Always be upfront about sponsored content and provide your honest opinion, regardless of whether you purchased the product or received it for free. Focus on providing balanced reviews. Highlight both the positives and negatives of a product. No product is perfect, and your audience will appreciate your transparency and willingness to point out flaws. Remember, your goal is to build a long-term relationship with your audience, and that's built on trust, transparency, and authenticity. Honesty is not just the best policy, it's the only policy. Engagement is key responding to your audience. Creating great reviews is only half the battle. To truly build a thriving community, you need to engage with your audience. Responding to comments, answering questions, and acknowledging feedback is crucial. Think of your audience as your community. These are the people who are invested in your content and your opinions. They deserve your time and attention. Respond to comments, even if it's just a quick thank you. Engage in conversations and answer questions thoughtfully. Show your audience that you value their input and that you're listening. Remember, engagement is a two-way street. It's about building relationships, fostering a sense of community, and showing your audience that you're not just talking at them, you're listening to them too. Building trust, transparency, and authenticity. In the world of online reviews, trust is paramount. Your audience needs to trust that your opinions are genuine and that you have their best interests at heart. Transparency and authenticity are the cornerstones of building that trust. Be upfront about your relationships with brands. Disclose any sponsorships or free products you receive. This transparency shows your audience that you have nothing to hide and that you're not trying to deceive them. Let your personality shine through in your reviews. Be yourself. People connect with authenticity. Don't be afraid to be enthusiastic, opinionated, and even a little goofy. Remember, building trust takes time and effort. It's about being consistent in your honesty, transparency, and authenticity. It's about showing your audience that you're not just a reviewer, you're a real person they can connect with and rely on. From blogger to brand, expanding your influence. As your review channel grows, you have the opportunity to expand your influence beyond just reviewing products. You can become a brand in your own right, collaborating with companies, attending industry events, and even launching your own products. Building a strong personal brand opens doors to exciting opportunities. Companies may approach you for sponsored content, partnerships, or even to collaborate on product development. You become more than just a reviewer, you become an influencer. Attending industry events like trade shows and conferences allows you to network with brands and other creators. These events provide valuable insights into upcoming trends and offer opportunities to build relationships with key players in your niche. Remember, expanding your influence is about leveraging your platform to pursue your passions and explore new opportunities. It's about taking your passion for reviewing products and turning it into a multifaceted brand that reflects your unique voice and expertise. Your journey starts now. Tips for aspiring reviewers. Ready to embark on your journey as a product reviewer? Here are a few tips to set you on the right path. 1. Find your niche. Identify your passion and expertise. What are you genuinely excited to share with the world? 2. Invest in quality. You don't need fancy equipment, but good lighting and clear audio go a long way. 3. Be authentic. Let your personality shine through. People connect with authenticity. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. Remember, building a successful review channel takes time, effort, and consistency. Stay true to yourself, provide value to your audience, and never stop learning and growing. Your journey starts now. Good luck.